Today, let's understand the concept of Firestore. So, what is Firestore? Firestore is a database which is of NoSQL type. Please note it is a NoSQL database. So, let's now dive into the hands-on. So, we'll first begin with this, that is create Firestore database. Let's go to the console. We can type Firestore to go directly to Firestore, and here it's also written serverless NoSQL document database. Let's click here. All right, next step is to create a database. We can click either here or here, both are fine. Let's click here, create database. Next, we need to select the mode of the Firestore. There are basically two modes, native and data store. We can click on compare modes to compare the details of it. Native mode comprises of real-time updates as well, but this data store mode doesn't comprise. So we need to select as per our needs. So for this tutorial, we'll proceed with native mode. Let's click on continue. Database, let's leave it as it is. We can select the location type, which is for high ability. Since for this is a dummy or like test environment, we don't need high ability because we need to save cost. If it is production, I would have gone for multi-region. For now, region looks good. I'll select one region randomly. US Central looks good. Next is security rules. Since this is a testing or dev which I'm doing, so production rules is not required. Test rules is fine for this purpose. So let's click on create database. It takes a while to create a database. So till then, let's dive you some script. So we are going to insert the values into this Firestore using script. So here at the bottom, the script goes something like this. Well, all are like self-explanatory. I have commented out the what I'm doing. That is, first we need to import the essential libraries. Then we'll be creating Firestore client, which is this command, Firestore.client function. Then we'll be randomly generating numbers and just putting some values into the table, random values into the table. So let's get down. It's still creating. Let's wait for a while till this gets created. All right, our table is created now. Let's click on close. So next we will open activate cloud shell from the right hand corner and fire some commands. Let's click on continue here. It's provisioning cloud shell machine for us. It takes a while. Let's zoom in this thing. All right, let's fire the commands one by one. So we'll first create a virtual environment by using this command. Let's go here, paste it. Let's click enter. It's done. Let's proceed with activating this environment. We'll go again here. Let's paste it. Let's go back. Next, we need to install Firehose library for Python. This is what we require especially. Let's paste this command, hit enter. Yep, it's installing. Let's go back, and next it will be giving us a prompt for login. This is an essential step. Let's paste it. Yeah, so next we need to continue by typing capital Y, then enter. Next, this link we will open and authenticate. It will open whenever we like log into Google or Gmail, those kind of thing. It will prompt. We need to enter one code here. So let's click here and do this process. All right, after successful clicking continue, yes, those kind of thing, we'll be getting one code. So we need this code. Let's click on copy. Let's go back here. We will right click and paste it. So yeah, we are done now. That is, it's written. This credentials will be used for the library request for application default credentials. So looks good for us. Now let's proceed by creating one Python file. So we'll be using VI editor. Let's click VI. Let's select type I for insert mode. Let's copy paste this entire thing all the way to the bottom till here. Our code, I have already explained you the code. I hope that is itself self-explanatory. So next thing, we need to type escape :WQ to save it. Click then we need to press enter. So I'm done with saving. I can also do it maybe cat if you want to see the contents of this one before running. So yeah, this is our like the logic part of it. will be generating some random numbers, like 200 values will be generated and put into the table, and it can be any number between 1 to 2000. So let's now execute this script by running this command, that is Python script. Our script name was script py. Let's press enter. Yeah, so the script is running now. It takes a while. Once it's done, we'll be able to see the values. Let's wait for a while. Till then, we can also minimize these things, and we can go into the Firestore Studio here. Then query builder, we can go here. So currently, yeah, the values are generating. We can see between 1 to 2000, any random values will be generated. So if we look here, see the values. We are done generating 200 random numbers. We can see next is the usage. We can monitor as well. So 200 writes, this things will increase. Currently it's 0. Let's wait for a while for the writes. Let's wait for a while till this graph populates. It takes a while. Meanwhile, since we have already inserted 200 values, we can also tweak or do some small modification, or kind of like I can say, like we can put some extra values by editing this command script. Let's open vi script. Now let's insert. So we have seen 200 values are inserted. So let's insert some 100 values as well, and let's give the range to, let's maybe 5000. Yep, any random numbers from 1 to 5000 will be generated, and 100 values will be generated. So for now we have seen 200 random values were there. Now let's insert 100 more to show you how this works. So total 300 values should be there after running this command. So let's save this, :wq, enter. Let's run this by running this command. Let's paste it. Let's run it. So till it's running, we'll be able to see the changes in a while. And also this graph will be populating in a while. Graph takes some time, 5 to 10 minutes, but yeah, the values which will be inserted is almost done instantly. Let's go back to the query builder. In the query builder, if we look now, previously we know there were 200 values, right? Now let's do something like increase the count. So new values, let's check it out. Yeah, we can see, like, see 300, 100 more values as per the logic we have inserted here. If you look, let me do a cat again to refresh what we have written here. Yeah, if you look here, 100 more values we have generated. So total 200 previously and 100 here, so 300. The sum goes to 300, and the values now will be from like 1 to 5000. Previously we have done from 2000. Like any random numbers from 1 to 2000 will be there. Now 1 to 5000 new records, 100 records which we have inserted, those will be seen. See, if you look here, these are the new records or the new values which are identifiable, because I have given the range as 5000 now, which is greater than 2000. So in a nutshell, our 100 records are inserted in this NoSQL database. Let's just wait for a while so that I can show you the this is changing, right? As mentioned, writes, reads, these things are changing now. And also so graph has started plotting itself. See, 4 p.m. around. Let me show you the time. It's something around 4. So we are successfully this is I think UTC or some time, yeah, maybe. But yeah, overall we are now monitoring this Firestore activity. We can check any kind of reads, writes, those kind of things. Yeah, these values weren't there. Now it's these are populating 210 writes in last 24-hour period. There are also like hourly or 7 days as per our requirement. We can also do it. So here we can see the value is shooting. Previously, because I haven't done anything, there were no activities here. Same goes for read as well. See, the graph, the line goes something like here. So this is what is the monitoring feature of Firestore. We can monitor the read, writes, deletes as well. since there is no such activity by us. So that's what is the overall tutorial. I hope you got this tutorial helpful, and these values are changing dynamically because of our command we have run. So I hope you like this tutorial. Let's meet in next video.